Residents in Delaware County should evacuate immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of Delco Emergency Management. A very dangerous, catastrophic, and life-threatening fire is currently spreading in Ridley Creek. Residents in the county of Delaware must need to evacuate immediately. Get all of the necessary supplies that will last you for as long as possible. Do not bring any personal belongings as there is very little to no time left to do so. Do not hesitate. Take action immediately.